Hello students, today's topic is T ratios for standard angles. Now we want to find out the values of these T ratios for these angles. Here we have 0 degree, these are the standard angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now I want to find out the value of sine theta for these angles. So what we will do for the finding these angles, firstly we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that we will write 0, 4 in the denominator, 4 in the denominator, and the next thing is we will put under root for all these values. We will put here the under root. Now we will solve these under root. Whenever we will divide any number 0 with any number, we always get 0. So answer is sine 0 degree is always 0. This one is the answer. Sine 30 degree. I want to find out the value of sine 30 degree. Under root of 1 is always 1 and under root of 4 is equals to 2. So sine 30 degree, the value is 1 divided by 2. Sine 45 degree, I want to find out the value of 45 degree. So cancel firstly 2 1 and 2 are 4. So answer is 1 divided by 2 under root, or we can write 1 divided by under root 2. Under root 3 we will write as it is under root 3, and under root 4 means 2. So this one is the answer for the sine 60 degree. 4 is cancelled with 4 and here we will get answer 1. Now I want to find out the value of cos theta. Cos 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now for the sine we wrote here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will start from 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Write down 4 in denominator and put under root. 4 in denominator and under root, apply under root here. After that, now solve it. 4 will cancel with 4. Here we will get answer 1. 3 or 4, under root 3 is under root 3 and under root 4 is 2. Now cancel these two values. Here we will get 1 divided by 2, or simply what we will write 1 divided by under root 2. 1 divided by 4, it means 1 divided by 2, and here we will get answer 0. And one more interesting thing is that sine 0 degree is always equals to cos 0 degree. Sine 30 degree is always equals to sine 60 degree. Sine 45 degree is always equals to sine cos 45 degree. Sine 60 degree always equals to cos 30, and sine 90 is always equals to cos 0. Now I want to find out the value of tan theta, and one more thing, that tan theta is always equals to sine theta divided by cos theta. We know that tan theta is always equals to sine theta divided by cos theta. So this one is the first formula. Sin theta is equals to cos theta. अब आप क्या करोगे, इन दोनों के आंसर्स को कर दो डिवाइड, 0 ऊपर और 1 नीचे. आंसर क्या आएगा 0. 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे और आप क्या करोगे, 1 डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट 3, जस्ट 1 डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट 3. Here I want 1 divided by 1. So answer is 1. And under root 3 divided by 1. Under root 3. Or 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0. We know that we can't divide any number with 0. So what is the answer? Not. But we will write here not. defined. We can't define it. Now cosec theta, we also know that the second formula, that is cosec theta is equals to 1 divided by sin theta. We already know. So what we will do here, reciprocal it, reciprocal of 0, that is 1 divided by 0. It means not defined. Not defined. Now reciprocal this, so we will get answer 2. Reciprocal it, we will get here answer under root 2. Reciprocal it, we will get 2 divided by under root 3. Reciprocal it, and here we will get answer 1. Next is secant theta. Third formula is secant theta, which is equals to 1 divided by cos theta. So reciprocal the cos theta. 1 divided by 1 is always equals to 1, or cosecant theta, we can write from here 1, or write down 2 under root 3 here, under root 2, 2 here, and not defined here. 2 divided by under root 3, next is under root 2, next is 2, and next is 0 divided by 1, which is equals to 0. Sorry, reciprocal it means 0. 1 divided by 0, that is equals to not defined. Now last, cot theta. Cot theta is always reciprocal of cot theta is equals to 1 divided by tan theta. So reciprocal it. 1 divided by 0, not defined. Under root 3, 1 divided by 1 is always 1. 1 divided by under root 3, not defined means 1 divided by 0. Reciprocal it, 0 divided by 1, which is equals to 0.